the track right now. More 13-year-old experts. Gotta be Aaron Weber. 13 in Seattle, Las Vegas, Nevada. Jaguar 1G in the 2 spot for CSC. We picked him 1 1/4 main. Bringing it to the strike, making it a 3 of Aaron Weber, transferring out of Moto 293. 294 the Moto on the track, got the 5 box. Leading around, gotta be Brandon Meadows. Meadows out of Sacramento, California. 13 Powerlite. It is Meadows, the 4 of Kudelek in the 2 slot. Meadows and Kudelek 1 and 2. We're taking 1 1/4. Bringing it to the strike, making it the 5 of Brandon Meadows, transferring out of Moto 294. 294 to 7.
How about RJ? Ryan Johnson, Powerlite rider out in front. Johnson out in front. Ryan Doherty in the 2 spot. Johnson, Doherty. Ryan Johnson out front, making a pay right now in the 2nd round. Ryan Johnson making it happen. Powerlite's the sponsor. They're making things happen. Riding that new Powerlite aluminum bike. Johnson, your transfer out of Marietta, California. Loverin going to give him a race to the line. It's going to be. How about the mouse? Daniel Sprague in the 2 spot. Matt Ortwine. Ooh, what a tough moto right here. Check this out. 2 of these guys are going to have to come back for the next round. The mouse, Mikey Hayek, transferring out of that one. Sprague and Ortwine in the 3rd moto. Bummer. Not for them. They're going to dice it out. How about Corky Gainsford out of Washington? Just tried out to be the drummer for Pearl Jam. Trying to make some things happen on the BMX bike. Whoa! Going to college next year. Gainsford, your transfer.